Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation. In today's video, you guys, we're going to recreate the Pink Panther. So get your brushes, your face paint, and also some makeup wipes. So you guys, we're going to have a really good time. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my dark pink face paint and I'm going to just start painting like right down the middle of my face, and I'm going to go from left to right around my eyebrows because I want this to be like a glam Pink Panther look. So this is what I did. So I'm just going from left to right applying the face paint, and it's non-toxic. You guys can order this face paint off Amazon. It usually be like $15.99, but they might have it on sale now. But I think when I purchased it, it was like $15.99. So I'm just painting around my eyes and my brows so you guys can see the full Pink Panther experience. So I'm going to apply some on my eyelid as well for the pink. I'm going to do it on the same side all the way to my brows, almost close. And I'm just painting, you guys. Like, I want to make sure that this look is phenomenal, and I just wanted to look my best. So this is my first time painting my full face pink. So it is really amazing how this is going to turn out and how it's going to look. So it does take a minute to see. So I'm going to apply some right underneath my eye. I'm going to bring it all the way down to my cheeks and to my nose. Now I'm going to take some white paint and I'm going to like paint it like in the middle, like close to my lips, but this is where the the panther, where they have like the lightest pink in the like center of their face. So I'm painting my face, the bottom half, white first, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit more white, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more of a lighter pink, and I'm just blending it in so you guys can see it. How did I achieve the look? So I just added a little lighter pink to the white, and I'm just blending those two together, and I'm just making it work, you guys. It's very easy to do. So if you find like if it's very complicated, so I just add a little bit of pink, of course. And I'm going to add some whiskers. And it's like 1, 2, 3. I did like 3 light strokes going up. 1, 2, and then 3. And then last, I'm going to paint my lips pink so you guys can have the full experience. And it's just very easy. It takes about 3, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. Depends on the size of your brush. And this is how I achieve my Pink Panther look. So if you want to do Pink Panther for Halloween, this is one of the examples you can do. You can put also, you can have some ideas. You have like some pink hair. Just make it as your own, being creative. You also could have did glitter, but I didn't have the glitter in pink, so it's okay. But I made sure that I did have some more face paint so you guys can see the results. And this is how I achieve my Pink Panther makeup look. So I hope you guys did like. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you want to see more videos of me doing Halloween makeup, face paint, get this video up to 100 views. All right, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.